Sweating like a hooker in church. He's ready for the pull.
So that is squeaky clean. This and this, not so much. So we're gonna go to the barber, take that for a ride, take the barber for a ride, and see how this goes. Hey, how you doing?
What's up?
A few moments later.
Oh yeah! Look at that front end. Hey.
Hey, what's your Instagram?
Oh, it's DJ Vinny Vibes, VYBZ, Vinny spelled with a Y.
There we go. All right, here we go.
Bimmer Boys. It's the Bimmer Boys. ERZ. Damn! Bro, this thing's f***ing sick.
Here, check it out. Oh!
Look at these. What are they? 17, 18?
I think they're like 19.
19?
See the emblems inside? Glowing?
They glow up?
Yeah. It's the M3 glow up. They're
Making
hopping?
my 85 look like shit. You're watching me on this? Oh, God.
Gonna move it back?
Yeah.
There you go.
I'm fucking too tall for this. Watch the paint job. This thing's sick. Are the keys?
Yeah, here. Turn it on.
Oh, yeah. This is when it's going up.
Go for it.
Oh! It's a gift from the gods!
Reaction, here you go.
Sweating like a hooker in church. He's ready for the pull.
There we go.
This thing sounds beastly. Jesus! This thing's sick.
Here we go.
It's fucking instant joy on your face.
It's a lot of fun.
If that doesn't make you smile, then I don't know what does. Jesus.
One more. Here we go. You ready? Alright, I'm gonna park it.
Before we get arrested.
Seriously.
Dude, that fucking
We'll go back
gurgle.
down.
The gurgle.
Yeah. Got your seatbelt. You weren't wearing your seatbelt the whole time.
No.
Right.
This is a BMW. Dude, this thing's sick.
Good.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Oh yeah, carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber diffuser, and then check out the front splitter.
Oh, it's a carbon fiber? Oh, yeah. I guess
Yeah. And then you got the carbon ceramic brakes too.
Sick. Look how big the brakes are, too.
They're huge.
Later that same evening.
All right, so in the first package here, it comes from Future Classic. For those who don't know who they are, find them right here. Future Classic is an automotive lifestyle enthusiast brand, and they're kind of like a members only sort of club where you get badges, posters, things like that pertaining to the vehicle you own. And with me having an M3 CS, it was a first for them, so they created something that's kind of special. So we'll have a first look here. So for those who don't know, the M3 CS Frozen Dark Blue Metallic, there's only 78 here in the US made in that frozen blue color. And so this is an awesome, awesome wall poster that'll get framed up and put in our garage. And then on top of that, they make some really neat badges. So we'll open up this baggie here. We'll take a look. I'm gonna leave that in the plastic wrapping just for the time being so it stays protected before I put it in a frame. However, check this out. look at the detail on this thing. It's pretty cool. So Future Classic, it's got the Frozen Dark Blue Metallic 2, P5Z/5, that's the actual paint code of the car. You'll notice in reverse, that's because it adheres to the inside of the window, so outward facing, it actually reads correctly. M3CS, 1 of 78 in the USA, and here's 1 of 78 for the stickers. Garage is still a mess, but let's get around the car here and get over to where the Future Classic sticker now lives. It's pretty cool. Looks really nice there next to the BMW Car Club of America 50th anniversary sticker. All right, so the next package comes from IND. I'm trying to find the right spot to open this. Let's see, this feels like right here. So let's go open this guy up. Let's see what we got here. Oh, nice. So we've got a sticker, some installation related tools, and most importantly, what's in the package here. So let's open this up. Really nicely packaged. And here it is. This is the M3 CS badge in black to match the shadow line trim of the car. I don't know why they didn't do it in black to begin with, in chrome, but here is black. So we've got from IND the M3 CS badge in black, as well as the installation tools necessary. So that'll be coming up in a video here soon. All right, and the last package here is from CravenSpeed. So let's see what it's got inside. It's a tow hook camera mount. So this is for some of the ride-along videos we'll be doing, where we'll be able to easily and nicely mount the GoPro to the tow hitch on the vehicle. Open this up here. Simply, that screws in very easily. Got a little branding there, CravenSpeed. This mounts to the camera, and just like that, we've got a tow hitch camera. Alrighty, I gotta clean up this mess of goodies here, but until next time, see you around.
Let's go.